All right, good morning, everybody. All right, let me tell you what's going on. I do have a few things going on this morning. Okay, so I'm long the mini Russell here. The yellow line represents where I went long, so I'm long the mini Russell. Also have a natural gas on. We haven't traded natural gas in a while. But like I said, I'm bringing those back in. I do like the action on the energies. Also had a buy on the crude oil. I didn't take the crude, but I am in the natural gas. All right, so long the natural gas. I do have a target sitting up here at 3.464. Let me give you that exact number. 3.465. And of course, on the mini Russell, 1664. 1664. So once again, I like looking at Bookmap. Now, apparently Bookmap on Thinkorswim, I use Thinkorswim, it's going to be down tomorrow. I got to notice it's going to be down for a few days, so I may not have Bookmap available tomorrow, but that's okay. We can still look at volume. I'll still be looking at time and sales, volume. What I like about Bookmap, it just gives you a nice visual representation of what's going on. So the bigger the dot, the bigger the volume, buying and selling. And of course, I like to see the order size coming in at every different price level. So it's a really handy tool. Hey, Brent, how you doing, buddy? All right, I'll be. You'll have to stay muted until 8:30 our time, Brent, and then we can open up. Then we're open up Discord, and then we can get going. But just to let you know, I'm long the mini Russell, and we are long natural gas. Very quiet on the small Dow right now. It looks like the small Dow is only up 10. Very, very quiet. Brent, I'm looking at your Qs. They're still in a buy. I don't see anything setting up on the Qs. Glenn, with consumer confidence at 10 Eastern. I did not see that. Is that a high? I didn't. That didn't show as a high impact for me. I don't know why I'm not showing it. That's weird. I'll put an alert up here on this natural gas, 3.465. That is going to be my profit target. So, any of you folks in Discord, anybody on the live show, if you have anything you'd like me to look at, I'll try to take a look at it for you here. If I'm not actually trying to get in or out of a trade. Got a couple things working already this morning with natural gas. Looking at a 34.65 target. We are long a mini Russell. Probably gonna not go too heavy on the indices. Gonna have to watch it. I had such a good day yesterday. A lot of times it can get choppy the very next day, so we have to be careful about that. I don't want to go crazy into anything. So a big part of trading is just kind of managing your size, understanding the markets. It's not just, please try not to make trading mechanical, folks. You just got to get a good feel. You got to use your tools. And I think I'm using the best tools I've been able to come up with. But you still want to see what the overall market is doing. And you just want to get just a really good feel for each one of these. Like the mini Russell, it's going to act a little bit different than the E-mini S&P. It's going to act different than the natural gas, and natural gas is going to act different than gold, right? So they all have a little bit of their own personalities. But y'all don't need to be watching a ton of different things. You know, you find some you like and just stick with them. You don't have to trade a bunch of stuff. Even on stocks, I mean, you know, there's a several good handful of stocks that you see pop up on the radar quite a bit. You get to understand their personalities. Forex Factory, is that where you... Forex Factory? I'll tell you what, let me look at Forex Factory. I did not... I like to use my FX book. But you said the Forex Factory. I'll look at Forex Factory. I have used Forex Factory quite a bit in the past. It is a very good website. Yeah, let's see what we have here. Yeah, that's interesting. You know, that did... Thank you for that, Glenn. That did not pop up for me this weekend. So I do see it here. Yeah, 10 a.m. Consumer confidence. Of course, that's Eastern time. I appreciate you finding that, Glenn. Thank you, buddy. You do a great job. I appreciate that. So I definitely, when we have reports like that, I really like to watch them to see how the market reacts to them. I certainly don't mind trading going into a report. How do you think the report's going to come out, Glenn? Profit target hit. All right, so natural gas hit our profit target, so we're going to go ahead and take our profits on natural gas. Yeah, I think you're right, Glenn. It probably, I don't think it's going to be a positive report, but that's just my personal opinion on the consumer confidence. All right, your cues look like they may be coming down here. I'd be watching the 348.56. Morning, Tracy. All right, so we have a few more minutes here before we end the morning show. Switch over to Discord. So in and out of one trade already. That was on the natural gas. Still in the mini Russell. Once again, you have a big day like yesterday. I'm always a little bit more cautious the following day. I like to not go too heavy.
PBLA. PBLA.
All right, so we're about 2 minutes out here. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Glenn, I appreciate you, buddy. Once again, if you'd like further information on my trading style, you can do that at innovative trading strategies.com. Check out my YouTube channel as well. Plenty of good videos there. I probably have 300-400 videos out there by now over the last several years. So check those out, and everybody have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. First thing, we start this every morning. First 30 minutes is open to everybody, and we do that from 9 to about 9:28, and then we move over to our live Discord channel where we continue to trade with our subscribers already. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks, Glenn.